Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am just going to be showing a few of my skincare products which I am using this summer. All these things are told to me by my dermat. So in case you all want to try out some new products, I'll just show you all what I'm using and just stuff like that. So because I was having active acne, I had to apply like a few creams. So the peeling creams which I used to apply, they used to be at night. There are a lot of serums actually in the market with like AHAs and BHAs which are mainly for peeling. So they just peel your skin, all your dead skin cells and all of that. And if you have active acne, it's very good for people who have active acne. So in case you are planning to use those serums, use them at night. So these are the two things that I used to use at night, which obviously my dermat had told me so I was using. So that is what I used to use at night. In the daytime, I'm using a moisturizer, which is again what my dermat told me. It is Hydrofill. It is this one, and you also get this on Amazon. I'll try to find the links for all these things and I'll put them in the description below. Now, some creams, obviously, they are medical creams, so you can get them at a medical store, but obviously, you don't use that because you have not gone to a doctor. This is the cream that I use every day, and the good thing is that this has the first ingredient is aqua and then it's glycerine, and this also has vitamin E and titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is very good for like protecting yourself from the sun. So this is a very good day moisturizer if you're looking for one, and also it's a very cheap product. I think I got this 200 grams bottle for 300 rupees, and it's a lot of product. It might seem like very little, but it's like a very huge bottle. I mean, yeah. So this is the day moisturizer, which I genuinely think you all should try out if you all don't have any moisturizer or if you are looking for a new moisturizer. And also the scent that this has got, so this moisturizer has a little bit of perfume in it, but it is very little and it smells really good. Now the next thing is that you obviously need to find a good lip balm. Now there are many lip balms on the market which pretty much work very same according to me. I could be wrong. The one that I have been using is this one, which is from Nivea Essential Lip Balm, and this, I don't know, but this has a mint flavor or scent feel rather to it, and it doesn't mention anywhere that it is mint, so I don't know. I just picked this one up, and it's really good. Like the day on days when I have like really chapped lips, I apply like a shit ton of this and go to sleep, and overnight my lips are healed. So I don't know, it's a really good lip balm. I also use another cream which is this calamine lotion. Now this is Clinical lotion. I mean, y'all can't tell, but this is a calamine, like you know how Lactocalamine is one of the most famous brands. So this is a calamine lotion. So whenever I'm going in the sun or I'm going near the gas or anywhere where there's a lot of heat coming through to on my skin, I use this. It's not only for my face, it's for my whole body. So when I'm going out in the sun, I apply this on my feet, my arms, my legs, my face, my neck, everywhere. So this is one more really good product. The next thing is that there are many face washes in the market, but my dermat, again, she recommended this, not recommended, in fact, she prescribed this face wash to me, which is Actine. Now, it's very good for people with sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, oily skin, even dry skin actually. So it's a really good face wash, and this face wash has salicylic acid and tea tree oil beads, vitamin E. So it's a really mild but a very good face wash. Now you get this on Amazon. I was not able to find this in any store, but I found this on Amazon. So I'll leave a link of this in the description because I genuinely just got a refill of this just today morning. It came from Amazon, so I'll leave a link of this in the description box below. After all this, it's a very I don't know, I guess most of you all already follow this. I didn't wear sunglasses. So I used to feel that sunglasses are just for fashion and just for comfort, but actually they are also very effective with your dark circles. So if you have like a dark circle or a pigmentation problem right here or right here, When you are going out in the sun, especially the noon, make sure you're wearing sunglasses, because the skin on your face is very sensitive. More so the skin under your eyes and like on your eyelids is extremely sensitive. So wear good sunglasses. It's gonna make you feel more comfortable in the sun also, and it will also be good for your skin. And the last thing is I use this body moisturizer. Now obviously in summers, if you wear very heavy duty moisturizers, your skin is going to be sweaty, and like it's just going to be very irritating, right? So you want to find a really lightweight moisturizer. So if you all don't have any and you are looking for a new one, do try this out. This is Nivea body lotion aloe hydration. And it's really lightweight, extremely lightweight and long lasting, so you all can definitely try this one out. Now this, I think it will be available on Amazon, so I will leave a link of this in the description box below in case you all want to go check it out. And yeah, so that is my skincare routine for the summers. Usually in the morning I will wake up, I'll wash my face with the Actane face wash, then I'll apply some serums if I want to. I use tea tree oil extracts, I use witch hazel oil extracts. I use these different extracts ke serums because they are good for my skin type. And on top of it I will apply moisturizer, and if I'm going out, or actually even if I am at home, I will apply the calamine lotion so that I am safe from sun. And that is my summer routine. If you have any specific summer routine, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know what your summer routine is. If I could incorporate something from yours into mine, it would be amazing. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also like the video. It will really help me out a lot. And also check my Instagram out if you want to. And that's it for the video, guys. Bye. I'll see you in my next one.